How to apply for BDO credit card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your browser and search for bdo.com.ph. And here, go ahead and head over to the personal section of BDO and go ahead and hover over to cards section at the top and click on the credit cards to get redirected to the credit card section. Now in here, you'll be able to find all the available credit cards on BDO such as MasterCard, Visa, American Express, and JCB. These credit cards have different perks, pros and cons, and it's important to read the benefits of availing these credit cards before you select which credit card to avail to know which is the best for you. So just go ahead and select the credit card that you want to apply for. Now in here, go ahead and select the type of the MasterCard under that credit card and click on the Apply Now button to proceed with applying for a credit card. Now in here, go ahead and click on the OK, I understand button, and this will allow you to proceed with the next steps. In here, go ahead and click on the Start Application if you haven't made an application for your credit card yet. But if you have, you can just click on the Check Application Status button. So there are three things that you'll need to do to apply for a credit card on BDO. You'll need to fill out the online forms, upload a photo of your valid ID and a selfie holding your valid ID, and submit your income documents. So here's the list of accepted valid IDs along with the accepted documents for both employed and self-employed individuals who want to avail BDO credit card. So if you have any of these accepted IDs, you can go ahead and apply for a credit card on BDO. So just go ahead and click on the Start Application button and answer this depending on your circumstance. So just go ahead and answer yes in this area if you have principal credit cards with other banks. Now after this, you'll get redirected to the Phone section where you'll need to enter your personal information, financial information, account information, document submission, and regulatory requirements. Now after you submit all of the requirements, you will be able to check the status of your application through visiting the website or wait for the update of BDO on your Gmail account. So that's basically how you can apply for BDO credit card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.